In this video, let us discuss about the 4-variable SOP simplification using K-map with don't care conditions. How we can able to simplify the 4-variable K-maps, including of don't care condition. Let us go to the first. You already know that don't care condition. Don't care condition means the cells are selected not for 0 and not for 1. Based on our requirement, we can take we have to take as a either 0 or 1. Okay, if it is not using for any grouping, you have to leave it. Okay, then let us go to the first problem. First problem is you first select the min terms with one normal notation as usually. 0 1 3 9 0 1 3 9 are selected. Okay, the don't care values are, so you have to select the don't care cells with this kind of notation. In previous video we already discussed about this notation format. 11 10 13 not 13 14 15 14 and 15. So here we have to do a proper mapping. So our goal is to create a maximum cell grouping. If not possible, go with the overlap. Even it is not possible, go with the low level grouping. Here we also consider the don't care cells for the sake of maximum cell grouping. Now here I want to go to the 1,3 cell. By 1,3 cell, obviously when you go to this problem, you want to create this kind of mapping. But if you are include the folding as a paper with horizontally, then 1 will touch to the 9, so that we can able to create the 4 cell grouping with considering of 11 don't care cell. If you consider the 11 as a don't care cell, then we can able to create a one group as in this manner. Okay, sorry, here I am utilizing the one don't care cell, and now in this case now 11 is converted into the 1. 11 cell don't care cell as utilizing as a min term. Okay, now let us go to this one. This one there is no other alternate for the grouping. 4 adjacent is not selected, 8 also not selected, only one alternate with overlap. What about this one? What about the other don't care cell 15 14 and 10? So they are not utilizing anywhere, and you should not create the group separately for any kind of don't care cells. Student might be think that whenever they create the grouping wrongly, so they want to create the group in this way, don't care cell as a single group. We should not do it. Don't care cells should not consider in any group. We should not take into the separate group for the don't care cells. We should not do it. We have to leave them 15 14 10 or not to be considered in our grouping. Only one cell has been utilized for the our min term grouping. Okay, now you know that how to write the answer for each and every group. Now go to the second problem. Second problem, 0 2 5 7 8 are min terms. The remaining all are don't care cell. They are 10 13 14 15 49 15. Now this group is also very important here. Now when let's move to the easy grouping. 5 and 7 are selected as a min term. If you include the 13 and 15, here we can able to create a 4 cell grouping. Then think about the 0 and 2, and here 8 also selected as a 0 2 8 3 are selected as a min terms, and we can able to create a corner mapping if 10 also selected, but 10 selected as a don't care condition, so we can consider into the our grouping. Okay, as a corner cell grouping. You know that how to do the corner cell groups. Okay, if at all corners are selected, then we can able to create a separate group for them. Okay, now this is also will become a one 4 cell grouping. Now here which one is going to be included into the our group as a don't care cell? 10th one. Now 10th one in this group converted into the as a 1 min term, and 14 is not utilizing anywhere because it is we are not using for any grouping. Okay, just we leave it the 14th one. Now here out of 4 don't care cell, we have utilized the 13 and 15 for one group and 10 for the another group. The 10 is included for the corner cell grouping. Okay, so this is about the second problem. And move to the third one. And all are sigma. Here you must be right. I left this space for only for to write the sigma. And next one, sigma small m of 1 comma 5 comma 1 5 6 12 13 14, and don't care cells are 4 10 and 11. 4 10 and 11. Now let us think about the grouping with considering of our don't care cells. Now let us create a easy grouping first initially. So here I can able to create a easy group with including of 4 don't care cell. So here it is creating the 4 cell grouping. Okay, after that, now think about the ones which are not in the group. If you consider the 6 to the 4 and 14 to the 12, the edge mapping can able to possible. Here also I am including the don't care cell, and don't care cell and normal minterm both are overlapped. Okay, if you need the don't care cells also get overlap usually. Then let us think about this one. There is no other alternate, we have to go with only this kind of 2 cell grouping, and we cannot create any group for the 11 and 10, and we are not using anywhere, just we leave them. Okay, this is about the third problem. Then next go to the fourth problem. Fourth problem, 0 comma 1 3 4 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5. The don't care cells are 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, now here we should create a proper grouping without considering the any cell, any don't care cell. Here we can able to create a 1 4 cell grouping. Okay, if you try to fold this horizontally the given K map, maybe you think that we can able to create the 8 cell group, but here 8 and 9 are not selected, so we cannot create. Here we should go with only 4 cell grouping. And now we need to think about the other ones. Other 2 ones are not in the group, 4 and 5. Here you can able to go with this kind of overlap, or else you can take the don't care cell as into the group. So here you can able to do this one. It is better, rather you go with the overlap. So now 12 and 13 cell are converted into the value as a 1 in this case. And what is the general alternate thing? You can able to go with the overlap, but our motto should be before overlap we need to try with without overlap maximum cell grouping. So if you utilize the don't care cell, here you can able to create a 1 4 cell grouping, and 15 14 11 10 are not to be considered, because we should not create a separate group for these 4. Maybe you think that there are 4 is adjacent 1 to each, we can able to create this group, but it is not recommended. We should not do it. We should not create a separate group for any don't care cells. Okay, now this is a grouping, and we should not create the group after they are included in the any other group. We should not create like in this manner. In this manner we should not do it, because 3 and 2 already in the group, and we should not create such kind of groups. It is not recommended. It is not recommended. We should think about the ones which are not in the group. 3 comma 2 minterms already in the group. We should not create the separate group for them. Okay, this point you remember. Now this is the final grouping for the given problem. Only two groups are created. Okay, now one group is included the two don't care cells, and another group without including a for two any don't care cell, it is in a 4-cell grouping. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Next problem, sigma small m of 1 2 6 7 8 13 14 and 15. Okay, so these are the min terms are selected, and the next two don't care cells are become 3 5 12. Okay, now here we have to think about the maximum cell grouping. So here I can able to create a let us move to the easy grouping. Here 4 ones are adjacent one to each other, easily we can able to create a 1 4 cell grouping. Now these are in a one group. Now we need to think about the ones which are not in the group. So here one is not in the group. Let us go to this one. If I consider the 5 as a one of the don't care cell as into the our group, here I can able to create another 4 cell group with overlap. With overlap. Okay. Next, think about the ones which are not in the group. This one is not in the group. This one also not in the group. Now here I can able to take a one group as. For this one you have to think about for this one. This problem is somewhat logical, more complicated and logical manner. For this one we can able to create a maximum cell grouping. If you include the 5 and 7 as well as a 3 cell don't care cell, here also I can able to create a 1 4 cell grouping. Okay. Next, think about the ones which are not in the group. Here also this group is this one is not in the not in any group. So who are adjacent? 9 is adjacent, and 0 are also adjacent after folding. 10 also adjacent after folding. So no other alternate is there. With this don't care condition, you can take into the one separate group. Okay. After that the last one, 2 also not in the group. What are the alternates? If you are consider the 3 7 6 into this group, here also we can able to create a 1 4 cell grouping. You should think about that 3 is a don't care cell, and 7 comma 6 are normally selected as a min term, and I included to the this 2 cell min term, and 4 cell group is created. How many 4 cells are created? 4 number of 4 cell groups are created, and another one is a 2 cell grouping. And if you not understand this problem, I want to explain again. Very simple. First let us move to the easy grouping. Just you move to the easy group. After that think about the ones which are not in the group. Okay, now this one is not in the group, so we need to take a let us go to this one. Okay, now normally you might be think that we can able to create such kind of 2 cell grouping, but if you include the overlap with the 7 and 15, here also you can able to create a 1 4 cell grouping, so that you have to take in this manner. Okay, now you need to think about the remaining 3 ones, 8 1 2. So let's go to this one. If I consider the overlap with 5 7 3 and 2 are here don't care cells, but in your maximum cell grouping, if you need, you can utilize them. Utilize them. 4 cell group has been completed. The next one, think about this one. So here also I am taking the overlapping of these 3 cells. Now how many 4 cells are grouped in? Totally 4 cell groups are created, and this one is only created a group of 2 cell with combination of 8 and 12. So this is the answer for given Boolean function, and all are prime implicant, because in 4 cells in 4 number of groups, one cell is not in the overlap, 3 are overlap. Let us go to the blue color. and 3 overlap, 7 overlap, 5 overlap, but one number one min term m1 is not in any overlap, so it is also prime implicant. Here also 2 is not in overlap. We should consider a group as a prime implicant if any one of the cell is left without overlap. Okay, and in all three four groups, 3 cells are overlap, 1 cell is not overlap, so all are prime implicant. All are should be considered in the answer. Okay, next go to this problem. Zero 1 3 7 11 15. After that 0 2 or 0 is repeated. I am removing this. 2 5 2 and 5 2 and 5. Okay, let us go to the easy grouping. Initially, easy grouping. How can I create a easy grouping? Simple. Without considering the any don't care cell, here I can able to create a one easy group, 4 cell grouping. Here one is selected. Now then next to think about the ones which are not in the group. So now if I consider this, here also I can able to create a one 4 cell group, and 2 is a don't care cell. Okay, now all ones are in the grouping. Now no need to think about the any other cells, and we should not create the any separate group for the sake of don't care cells. Okay, now we should not create the group for don't care cells. Now it is leave it. Okay, this is about the given problem. Next go to the next problem. 1 3 5 1 3 5 7 9, and don't care cells are 6 12 6 12 13. Okay, this one also somewhat important problem. Here I can able to go for very easy grouping. Okay, done. Then next go for the ones which are not in the group. Only this one is not in the group. So if you include the overlapping, also include the don't care cell, we can able to create a one 4 cell grouping. Yes, you can able to create a one 4 cell group. Okay, now 12 and 6 are we should leave it. Okay, leave them, because we should not create the separate group for the don't care cells. This is the answer for the given problem. Let us go to the last one. 1 6 10 1 6 10 11 12 13 15. The don't care cells are 4 5 7 8 14 8 14. This problem also somewhat very important. Here we can able to create a one 8 cell grouping by including a 4 5 7 14 don't care cells. Directly we can able to create a one 8 cell grouping. After that, here we can able to create a one 4 cell grouping. The next here 2 cell group. So this is the answer for the last problem, and you need to practice more and more problem for the to understand how we can able to utilize the don't care cell. Just you go through the all problems and practice by yourself, and you will get thorough knowledge on don't care cells, how we can able to utilize in our 4 variable K maps. Okay, next video will discuss about the different kind of concept.